All right, we're here at Oshkosh in 2026 with Brett Sharenow, the U.S. representative for Magni Gyro, and a good friend. Brett has helped me a lot on my Magni journey, and he's a great representative for the company. And if you need anything in the U.S., he's the man to talk to, and he'll get you with the right people in the right direction. So we're going to talk to Brett a little bit about what's new with Magni in 2026. All right, Brett. So it looks like you've got my favorite gyroplanes here, the M24, the M26. I don't see an M16, unfortunately. So maybe at the other, is there an M16, the other one?
There is an M16 at the other booth.
Yeah, that's my favorite, but I like open cockpit. So
I love it how everybody's got their favorites.
Yeah. So no new models. What's new with Magni this year? What are you guys talking about here at Oshkosh?
Well, the big deal this year, Chris, for new at Magni Gyro is new for the gyroplane industry. For the last 3 years, we've been working on the new light sport aircraft standards. And for the first time ever, as of 5 days ago now, the FAA has released the light sport aircraft standards for gyroplanes, which means that you will be able to purchase a light sport gyroplane from a number of different manufacturers. I'm concerned about us. So Magni Gyro will be selling light sport gyroplanes effective Q1 of 2027, sometime in the January to March timeframe. We've got to put our compliance checklists in place. We have to have an FAA audit and all the standards that you need to do. But essentially, you will be able to buy an off-the-shelf gyroplane from us, ready to fly away from the factory.
That's amazing.
No testing, no flight time, no old EAB requirements.
Okay. And for someone who doesn't understand kind of what this means, I've flown a gyro for a long time. So what does this mean to someone who's interested in gyroplanes?
So in the past, actually,
in the U.S. in particular, yeah.
Great. In the past, you were able to buy an experimental gyroplane called an EAB, Experimental Aircraft Build. And by definition, that means as the pilot and builder, you need to build 51% or more of the aircraft, which means you went to the factory in Italy and built it. That allowed you then to petition the FAA and get your repairman certificate so you could do your own maintenance and annual inspections. Those type of aircraft will still be available from Magni Gyro. The LSA, however, allows you to buy a gyroplane essentially off the shelf, just like you buy a car. So you go in, you want these options on it, you want it to set up like this. You put in your order, the factory builds your standard LSA gyroplane. It gets shipped into our U.S. importing facility. It goes through a final fly-off and assembly and inspection criteria inspection. The company signs off that the aircraft is approved. The FAA or DAR signs it off, and then you come and pick it up. So that's it. It's bought off the shelf. There's no additional stuff that you have to do before you can fly it.
That's awesome. And not only that, it really opens the realm of possibilities of what you can do with your gyro, right?
Completely. LSA gyroplanes open up the world to gyroplanes. In the United States, it means that if you have a flight school, you will be able to rent gyroplanes to students, just like you do with a fixed wing. The second thing it gives you is the ability to do commercial operations that don't have fatigue requirements. So you can't do aircraft spraying, for example, of crops, but tours, photography from the aircraft, herding cattle, looking at fence lines, looking at power lines, looking at oil lines, anything like that is allowed. And there's a 15-point list of available things that you can do with your LSA gyroplane that you cannot do with an experimental.
Wow, that's awesome. So what do you think this is going to do for the market in the U.S. for Magni gyroplanes?
Well, throughout the world, we've been type certified for years, which means you could do the same thing with gyroplanes in other countries. Now that this is opened up in the United States, from what we've seen other places, we see the gyroplane market exploding. We think there are going to be significant schools using them. Helicopter training can be done with gyroplanes for about 80% of the work. Wow. So it's a rotorcraft just like a helicopter, so that instead of doing 100% of the hours in a helicopter, you can do about 80% of the hours in a gyroplane for dramatically lower costs, and then 20% in a helicopter. So we see helicopter schools adopting LSA gyroplanes for training, educational facilities in that. So market is going to get very big very fast, and those companies who already have the ability to produce something like this already and have experience and have the robustness and reliability and safety record that Magni Gyro has, we're going to be in a great place to help the marketplace expand and grow into what gyroplanes are capable of.
Yeah, we talked a lot last year about Magni and the safety attitude and really how safety is built into every aircraft. I'll put a link to my video from last year here. Over the last year, I know you've seen sales growth in the US so since I talked to you last year, just because I know some of the dealers that I talk to regularly. Maybe you could talk a little bit about, even before MOSAIC became final, Magni's been growing quite a bit in the last year, haven't they? Here in the US.
Yes, our gyroplane sales in the US have skyrocketed for a variety of reasons. People are starting to learn about gyroplanes here a decade or so later than they've learned about them in Europe, but that's okay. They've learned about them in the United States. Once we have a dealer on board, and we qualify dealers with a very strong set of criteria to make sure they're going to be safe, to make sure they follow the Magni Gyro training certification standards. So we give the students the best possible chance of flying with fun and safety at the same time, and to make sure that they can handle things. But essentially, we have seen dramatic increase in growth, partially because as a dealer starts to sell more gyroplanes, and as people start to know that gyroplanes are out there, and a gyroplane lands on the field next door, and everybody runs over to the gyroplane and says to the pilot, wait, what is this? How fast does it fly? How far does it go? How many people, how much weight? I mean, all the normal questions that you get asked. There's a economies of scale focus that just happens. And once you reach that critical mass, the gyroplanes start selling themselves, because they're such an amazing aircraft. I mean, I flew fixed wing for years. As soon as I found gyroplanes 10 years ago, I've never gone back to fixed wing, ever, just because of what these do.
Right. I don't think you mentioned specifically, when can I order my SLSA Magni Gyroplane?
Great question, Chris. We'll have pricing out, ready to order the beginning of August. First shipments will probably be February or March of next year. But the only thing we're waiting for right now is pricing. We've got 2 quotes coming in that we need. But figure beginning of August, you'll be able to contact your dealer and say, I want to buy an LSA. Here's the standard configuration that I know about. I want to maybe add this particular EMS, engine management system display, or moving map. And when can I have it? And
all right.
You'll get a date.
Awesome. Well, hey, Brett, thank you very much for your time today, and look forward to seeing that growth at Magni. And I'm going to keep enjoying my Magni. So looking forward to many, many adventures together.
Thank you, Chris, and thanks so much for your support of the Magni series. You're an amazing proponent, and I am so looking forward to seeing your extreme next video.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Brett.
Bye.